Good morning students. Earlier we have done exercise 4.1. Now we are doing exercise 4.2. So the question number 1 of exercise 4.2 is this one. First question is we have to find y is equal to 3x plus 5. It is our equation is given that y is equal to 3x plus 5. Now we have to find which of the following option is true and why. Y is equal to 3x plus 5 means we have to find that how many solutions of a linear equation have. Student, you have to understand is that if we put x is equal to 1 here, what is the value of y we will get? Y is equal to 3 into 1 plus 5, that is 8. Similarly, if I am putting x is equal to 2 here, so y is equal to 3 into 2 plus 5, that is 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Similarly, if you put x is equal to 3, you will get another answer. X is equal to 4, you will get another answer. If I am putting x is equal to minus 1, you will get another answer. Means you will get the value of something. Similarly, here y, you will get these values. So we can say that if we will put x is the values of x here, any of the number, so we will get the y value will be different. So we can say that a linear equation have infinitely many solutions. So the answer of this first question is third one, infinitely many solutions. So you can write that y is equal to 3x plus 5 means a linear equation have how many solutions is there? You can say that infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So you have to remember it always that a linear equations have infinitely many solutions. How is it possible? So we have done it like this. You can put any of the values, you will get the answers totally different. So we can say that a linear equation have a infinitely many solutions. Remember it always. Now second question is write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. So the first equation, it is given that 2x plus y is equal to 7. Now we have to find 4 solutions of this equation. Here we know that this is also a linear equation, so it has infinitely many solutions like this, but we have to find only 4 solutions, so the answer will be different. Maybe some students are putting x is equal to minus 1, maybe some is putting x is equal to 1, so the answer will be maybe change. So you can put, if I am putting suppose x is equal to 1, if I am putting x is equal to 1, what is the value of y we will get? 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 7. That means 2 plus y is equal to 7. It means y is equal to 5. So the first solutions of this equation is, if we are putting x is equal to 1, so we are getting y is equal to 5. Similarly, if I am putting x is equal to 2, so what is the value will be, what is the value of y will be here? So you can put it here like this, 2 to the 4 plus y is equal to 7. So we will get y is equal to 7 minus 4 is 3. So the second solution of this equation is x is equal to 2 means y is equal to 3 we are got. If I am putting x is equal to 3, because we have to find 4 solutions, na? So we are doing this one. X is equal to 1 I have taken, then after I am taking x is equal to 2, then I am taking x is equal to 3. Now put x is equal to 3 here. 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 7. So 6 plus y is equal to 7. It means y is equal to 1. So the third answer is, if we are putting x is equal to 3, we are getting y is equal to 1. Similarly, if I am putting x is equal to 4, because we have to find 4 solutions, so we are doing like this. So 2 into 4 plus y is equal to 7. That means 8 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to minus 1. These are the 4 solutions of this equation, 2x plus y is equal to 7. Similarly, in your book, you have to find the solutions of this second question, pi x plus y is equal to 9. You can do it yourself in your classwork notebook. And third is x is equal to 4y. You have to do it yourself. These questions are like this. Similarly, you can put x is equal to 1 here. You will get the value of y. Similarly, 2, 3, 4, you can put any of the numbers. You will get the values of y here, or either you can put the value of y here, you will get the value of x. Both are the similar cases. Now the third question is check. Third question is, student, now the third question is x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now the question is that check which of the following are the solutions of this equation and which are not. means the solution means I am writing like this. First is 0, 2. We have to check by putting these values in this equation. In coordinate geometry, I have told you that in the first one is called always x coordinate and second is called always y coordinate. So here the value of x is 0 and y is 2. Means we have to find that check which of the following is the solution of this equation. Solution of this equation means if we will put the value of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. If we will put it here, if we will get the value 4 means if left hand side should be equal to right hand side, then this equation is called. So we can say that these two are the solutions of this equation. So we are putting these values here. Suppose I am putting x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 here. So we will get 0 is equal to 0 minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. But the right hand side is 4. So this is not the solution of the equation. So you can write in the last 0, 2 is not the solution of the equation. It is not the solution of this equation. Similarly, in second part, second is 2, 0. Now suppose we are putting 2, 0. 2, 0 means here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. So again put the values of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 here. So we will get 0, sorry, x is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 into y, 2 into 0, that will be 2. 2 is not equal to 4. So you can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So you can write in the last. So 2, 0 is not the solution of this equation. Right, so 2, 0 is not the solution of the equation because we are getting the value 2 here. If we are putting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 here, so we are getting this one. So this is not the solution of this equation. Similarly, in third part what it is given that third is 4, 0. 4, 0. Again the value of x is here 4 and y is, well, the value of y is equal to 0 and the equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. Again put the value of x and y here. So if we are putting x is equal to 4 here, 4 minus 2 into 0, this will be 4 and 4 is equal to 4. So we can say that here 4, 0 is the solution of this equation. So here 4, 0 is the solution of this equation. So similarly you can do the fourth and fifth part. You can do it yourself in your classwork notebook. Now the question number, next one is question number 4. Question number 4 is find the value of k. So question number 4, we can do it like this. In the question number 4, we have to find the value of k. Find the value of k means we have to find the value of k here. So we have put it k is equal to question mark and given that what it is given, if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to. So the question is we have to find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. I have told you earlier that if these are the solutions of this equation, suppose 4, 0 is the solution of this equation, so we have put it 4, 0 here. So we have got the value 4 is equal to 4. Similarly, so means it will satisfy these two numbers, these x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. These value will satisfy this equation. So if we will put the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, so we will get the value of k. So we can put it like this, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. 2 2 ja 4 plus 3 is equal to k. So k is equal to 7. This is the answer of this fourth question. Similarly, I am giving some extra questions to you. You have to do that extra questions in your rough notebook, and these questions you have to solve in your classwork notebook. Rest question which we have left, so you have to do in your classwork notebook. That question I am giving some extra questions. Now students, these are the extra questions. I have written it here. First question is find three solutions of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. You have to find only three solutions. So you can put x is equal to 1 here, x is equal to 2 here, and x is equal to 3 here. You will get the values of y. You can put any of the values I have told you earlier. So you can do it like this. Only you have to find three solutions. In the second question, you have to find four different solutions of this equation. Equation is given that 2x plus y is equal to minus 5. Now you have to find the values of. Now you have to find the four solutions of this equation. You can put any of the values I have told you. So you can find the four different solutions of this equation. Then in third question, find the value of k so that each of the following. Now again, this question is very important for the exam point of view also. Find the value of k so that each of the following equations may have x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 as a solutions of these equations. Here three equations are given, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. I have to it is written here. So find the value of k. Again you can put the value of x is equal to 1 here and y is equal to 1 here. You will get the value of k. Similarly here x and y, put the value x is equal to 1 and y is equal, because x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation, this equation also. So you have to solve these three equations with the help of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. It is not given separately. So this is the solution of this equation. You will get the value of k. So student, these questions you have to do in your rough notebook, and that question which we have done exercise 4.2 you have to do in your classwork notebook. Which questions we have left you have to solve in your classwork notebook also. So you have to do these questions now. Thanks.